In today's video, I want to talk about one of the main things that 99% of self-published authors are doing wrong and why it's costing you guys thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to self-publishing your books through Amazon. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, online entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, like I said in the intro, I want to talk about one of the main things that 99% of self-published authors are just not doing that's causing them to leave thousands upon thousands of dollars on the table and really not take their self-publishing businesses to the next level. So what is that? Let me just tell you right now, it is not focusing on building an audience or a brand through your self-published books. All right. What I see most of the time when people send me emails or post in my course group about, hey, Dane, like, what is going on here? How come I can't take my books to the next level? It feels like I've hit a ceiling. I don't know what to do. The main thing that I see and the main problem that I see is that people aren't focused on building that email list, that audience, building a brand from their books. Okay. I see a lot of people doing what looks like is just publishing random books in random niches under random pen names and just doing that over and over and over again, which can work, don't get me wrong, but there is a ceiling to that where you can't take that kind of brand, that kind of audience, or that kind of basically online income outside of the Amazon platform, and you're solely reliant on your sales that come in through your books, which might sound crazy. Like, well, I thought KDP was all about getting sales through Amazon, and don't get me wrong, it is. But there is a whole nother level to Amazon KDP and self-publishing that most Kindle Direct publishers aren't taking advantage of. And it's building your audience outside of the platform and selling additional products to your audience on that outside area. Okay, think of like this is KDP, and then this grandiose thing that's around it is your audience that you build for your book brand that you can sell additional products to. And where basically the potential for online earnings is unlimited. And that kind of gets me into my first point here, which is how to build this online brand, how to build this audience, how to build this email list. And it really is as simple as including something in one of your books that is basically a free offer of some sort to get your readers from Amazon onto your email list. Okay, so basically there's going to be inside your book, you're going to have maybe on the first or second page something that says, hey, get this free bonus by entering your email at this link. It's as simple as that. Most people will include a QR code there so someone can just scan it inside the book, takes them directly to, say, a landing page where it says, hey, if you enter your email down below, you're going to get this free offer. And usually that free offer has something that's complementary to the main topic of the book that this person's coming from. They get that free offer sent to their email. Now you have their email on your email list, and basically the world is your oyster. You can send them anything to their email, obviously within reason, that is in relation to your book brand. So for example, if you had a book brand that was about online artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, software development, stuff like that, you could be sending value-filled emails to this email list, nurturing the people on that email list, and every once in a while, you could be sending them whatever additional things you want to sell, whether it's your other books, it's merchandise about your brand, affiliate offers that are related to your brand, affiliate offers, like if you were in that particular niche, like I said, the SaaS or the software development niche, virtually every single online software has an affiliate program. So if you were talking about marketing through software and you had to recommend some kind of software for marketing, you could have like an ActiveCampaign or a ClickFunnels affiliate link sent through that email to your audience. 3 or 4 people pick it up. You're getting paid an affiliate commission for that on top of the income you're making from your books. Okay, so it really is as simple as taking a couple extra steps with each and every one of your books, including a free offer inside of those books, and getting those people to not only take action on that free offer, but enter in their email. You get their email, and you have the ability to send these people emails about your book brand, about your books. And on top of that, one of the things that people totally overlook is that when you're building a brand like this, it's not just all about getting additional income from them by sending them affiliate offers or merchandise or whatever, additional products, but you can also utilize this list to get additional reviews on your books. So you can use this list of people as a way of marketing new books that you're going to publish. So if you have a new book coming out the following month, you send out an email, say, hey, in the next couple of weeks, I do have a new book coming out. I'm looking for a select group of people to read through the book early and leave a review once the book goes live. All you have to do is send these people a PDF of your book for free, and in exchange, they're going to leave you a review when the book goes live on Amazon. It really is as simple as that. You probably wondered, and you've seen in the past, how big book brands have like thousands of reviews within the first week of their book going live. This is how. They have a huge audience that they're able to promote their book to before it launches, give it to the audience for free. The audience reads it. Once it goes live, the brand sends an email out to the people, say, hey, the book's live now. If you guys don't mind, please go and leave your review. That's how they do it. It's really as simple as that when it comes to building a brand. And that is one of the other perks of brand building on Amazon, is being able to leverage your audience not only to earn additional income from them, but to create a better marketable book. So those are the main things that I'm seeing people are leaving out. I do have an example on screen here that I want to show you guys too, just as a person who's kind of built a brand within a certain niche. So you guys can have a look at it and get an idea of what I'm saying more visually. So looking at this example that I've pulled up here, this is someone by the name of Arseth Nathim. I don't know this person. But what I do know is that he is taking full advantage of the AI, like I mentioned, AI software, online income niche, I would say. I don't know how to really categorize it into one thing. But if we look at his page here, you can see he has quite a few books that are doing quite well, honestly. You can see his top 2 books that are about ChatGPT here are ranking very well on Amazon. The lower this number, the better, the more money he's making. You can see estimated, this one, just the Kindle version, which is $8, is making him $330 per day estimated. And this one right here, this one's making him $100 per day estimated. So right off the bat there, this guy is making $9,000 a month from this book, $9,000 plus a month from this book, and $3,000 per month off of this book. That's over $10K in income off of his top 2 books. And looking at the other books, they're all selling pretty well, and they are pretty high quality books in decent niches. So what am I getting at here? You can see this guy is taking advantage of a certain niche. He's made multiple books within that niche, and a couple of them are doing very, very well. Instead of making books in separate niches all over the place, these 2 books complement each other. All these books complement each other. If someone is in his email list or in his brand or whatever you want to call it, his audience, if they buy this first book, chances are they're probably going to buy the second book, and they're probably going to go through his rest of his page and see things like this, and probably buy those things too, because that audience is interested in similar things. So that's what he's done with his audience and his niche and his category, I guess you could call it. And he's taking full advantage of that. Have I checked if this guy has an email list? I'm not sure. I could go into his book here and let's just check and see. Look inside and see if he has like some kind of free offer to sign up for his email list. Scrolling through here, I don't see anything yet, but lots of the time people have it like in the middle of their book or at the end of their book. Unfortunately, I can only see the introduction of his book by looking at it here. But my guess is that he is collecting emails in some way, shape, or form, and he's selling people, or he's basically providing value on his email list and selling products on there as well externally. So on top of 2 books on Amazon making him over $10,000 a month, this guy's probably making additional income outside of it, like I said. So pretty impressive. This is just one example here. I could click through multiple other authors down below, and we can go through more and more examples of people making books within similar niches and then taking full advantage of that. But I don't really need to bore you guys. I'm sure you get the idea. The main idea for this video is that I'm noticing a lot of people aren't making or taking advantage of building brands or an audience through Amazon and leveraging emails that you get from these people to market additional books to, market additional products to, market affiliate offers to, and make an online income outside of just the Amazon KDP space. Because we saw right here, one guy is making over 10 grand off of just his books. And then on top of that, you could be making even more off of an audience or an email list. So hopefully that gives you guys an idea for the possibilities with Amazon KDP, because there's a lot of money to be made outside of just having your book sell well on Amazon KDP. So that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little spiel about building an audience on Amazon and why it's so important. If you did enjoy it, I do try to post new videos about self-publishing, online entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general every few weeks or so. So if that interests you, I do want to see you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Like I said, every few weeks I post new videos. So if that works for you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.